Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys, and welcome for another short tip. So today I'm gonna talk about pitch modulation, especially pitch envelope, and how can a slight modulation affect the sound. So I have this plucky harp, and you see when I remove this harp modulation, I kind of lose the feeling, lose the emotion, and I just recycle the same amp envelope which is controlling the volume and just apply a little bit. So always when you work with pitch, always handle with care. Like, don't go too crazy, I mean, except if you want to do SFX, but if you just want to shape a little bit the sound, give a little bit a nice vibes, just go gentle, like 1, 2. Don't go, I know it's going until 48, but that's crazy. Just, and that's go with, even if you had want LFO, you could have had a little bit of vibrato effect. If you don't know, you can use the LFO, put around 8 Hz, and then let me remove. You see, if you put just 20%, it's doing the job. Don't go, I mean, you can be looking for this kind of effect, but usually a very subtle. And that's another advice, always be gentle with any value, you know, like whatever you're gonna control, it might go until 48 or 100%, but usually the first value are the most effective, except of course if you want crazy stuff. Alright, thank you for watching, Sky, I hope you like it. See you soon, bye bye, don't forget to subscribe.